guys, it's Angie. I know I haven't posted in a long time, and I know you probably forgot what my face looks like, but that's okay. So let's see what you've missed out on. Okay, well, I turned 18, I graduated. That's kind of it. So for this week's video, we're starting out in the car because I just arrived at a thrift store, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut the perfect pair of like mom jean shorts, kind of, out of thrifted jeans. So my favorite pair of shorts is actually thrifted. I got them for $3. They're men's Levi's, and it was like the best thing I ever did was cut them into shorts. They're actually so cute. I'll insert a picture of them, but they're just so cute. So the goal today is to get more jeans to make into shorts so that I don't have to wear that same pair of shorts every day of my life. Doesn't matter what the length of the jeans are because you're gonna cut them anyway. So, see, these are 36, which is my size, but I don't care about the 29. I found a cart with lots of jeans. The goal today was to find a pair of like black jeans that I can make into shorts, but I actually have like a whole cart full of jeans. Okay, so we're only paying attention to the top half of the jeans. We're not gonna pay attention to the bottom half because we're just gonna cut them off anyway. So these currently do not really fit. I would feel uncomfortable wearing these as shorts. They're very tight around this top section. So these are a no. I don't know if you can tell the difference on camera, but these are much better. I have some room up here, but it still fits nicely and they're not too tight. On the side and on the sides of my legs and everything. So these are yes. These obviously do not fit. These are gigantic. These are like clown pants. Okay, and these are not my preferred like fit. They're just a little bit tight, like right here. But they fit nice on my legs and everything. I'm hoping that in the wash they might stretch out a little bit. I'm not really sure though. Okay, so basically, I only spent $4.79. I don't know if you can see it. $4.79, and I got 2 pairs of jeans. I think that's pretty good. One of them was Levi's, one of them was Wrangler. My local thrift store has 50% off every other Wednesday, so if you're trying to thrift like this kind of stuff, go on like a 50% off day, because I got $2.50 off one of the pairs and $2 off another pair. So only $4.79 for 2 pairs of jeans. A deal. All right, so now I'm just gonna cut the jeans and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Okay, so you're gonna put on the jeans and you're going to basically figure out how short you want to cut them. I recommend cutting them a little longer than you actually want them. Just in case you mess up or you cut a little too short, you're not gonna have underwear on or something. Also, when you wash the jeans for the first time, they're gonna fray at the bottom, so you have to allow for that too. You don't want them to be perfect and then fray and then be too short and you're showing your underwear and stuff like that. I mean, unless you want to do that, but like, I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, so I'm basically gonna cut mine to about here. So I'm just going to put a pen mark. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna put a pen mark right there where I want to cut it, and then I'll just mirror this side onto this side. Okay, so you want to make sure that the shorts are straight, and then you're just going to fold them over one time so that you can see the pen mark that you made. And I'm just going to cut straight across right underneath the pen mark, not above. Don't cut above it. Bad idea. And when you get closer to the crotch of the pants, I would recommend going down a little bit because that's how jeans in the stores are. They kind of dip down a little bit near the crotch for some reason. It does something. I don't know what it does. Gave my name to all of them. I can't keep my heart straight. so now you'll have one short leg and one long leg. So now you're just going to lift the pants so that you can see where you cut. All right, so now you're gonna try them on. Alrighty, so basically these are the shorts. After I originally cut them, I put them on and they were a little bit too long. I actually might still need to cut this a little straighter. It's dipped down a little bit. But they were a little bit too long, so I cut them a little bit more. I think that they're super cute. They're a little bit longer than my other shorts. So once they fray, they won't be as short as the other ones, which is good because I don't need two pairs of really, really short shorts. Sometimes you do need a pair of longer shorts for some reason. All right, so now we have the black pair of pants. And what I'm gonna do is the exact same thing that I did for the other one, where I'm just going to figure out where I want them, which is probably right about here. Then we're going to mark it with my pen and cut them. Okay, so basically I made a stupid decision and cut the black jeans just a little too short. By little, I mean a lot. So those will not be being worn, but that's okay. I only paid $2 for them. I hate when I do that. So nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a like. I know I haven't posted in a really long time, but that's not important. Not important at all. We're not even gonna talk about that. I'm hoping that I'm gonna get more inspired to make more videos, but you never know. So if you liked it, give it a like. If you didn't, you don't have to. Bye!